Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, on behalf of the leader of ADMK party, Sri Pannaswamy, I raised
ये आपको मैंने बार-बार कह दिया है,
shipping bill and
आप आसन को बाध्य नहीं करें,
while supporting the bill.
आप आसन को बाध्य नहीं करें।
I would like to point out the issues being faced with Tamil Nadu fishermen while they are fishing in the Indian territorial waters and Indian marine zones, sir. Sir, you will know fishermen is the issue, perennial issue as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned. Sri Lankan Navy captures, arrests and tortures Tamil fishermen whenever they go into the fisher territory, sir. Therefore, request you to the next, sir. So other thing, sir, there is a need permanent solution for this issue. The root cause for the problem is seceding Kachittivu unconstitutionally to the agreement 1972-74. The then DMK government of Tamil Nadu and the convenience of Congress government, the center has given the Kachittivu to Sri Lanka. Therefore, because of that, our fishermen suffering, sir. Therefore, I request the government, Vajpayee already promised that he is going to get back this treaty and settle. It's a Congress and DMK export our country, our territorial things, sir. Therefore, I request the Honorable Minister take necessary action to safeguard our Indian territory and see that whatever the mistake done by the Congress and the DMK has to be settled and see the save the Tamil Nadu fishermen, sir. Thank you very much. I'm supporting this.
धन्यवाद। मैं त्रिची शिवा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठा रहे हैं, आप बैठ जाए सब। क्या हाउस को ऑर्डर में लाने दीजिए, हाउस को ऑर्डर में लाइए। आप माननीय त्रिची शिवा को पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठा रहे हैं, कौन सा?
Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, thank you very much for accommodating my point of order. Sir, you have been directing others, even yesterday when they were speaking about SIR in another bill. You said speak to the connected with the bill. But now what he has spoken is totally out of the bill, and I request you, sir, to expel whatever is out of context. It is under Rule 240. Under Rule 240, whatever he has spoken irrelevant, not connected with the bill, has to be expelled, sir. Kindly, we expect you to be impartial and judicious. Kindly, they are going beyond the bill. When we speak, you don't allow, you don't even record. But now everything he has spoken, whatever he has spoken out of the bill must be expelled, sir. It is irrelevant. So kindly, you are the custodian of the house and the rules. Please take note of it. That's my point.
देख